Over the last few months, I have been connecting and talking with my readers, fellow agents, Facebook friends, and Twitter peeps, meeting all sorts of cool new friends. Many have commented as soon as we get on the phone or Skype, they feel like they already know me. I love hearing this because that is the kind of idea behind my strategy. How I connect with people online, how I write, how I put myself out there on my videos. I do so in a personal manner. I want my readers to see who I am, both personally and professionally.
The best way to introduce yourself to your friends, followers, or even prospects is with a video. Create a short 1 to 2 minutes video introducing yourself on what you do and how you can help them to solve their problem.
Once you create your video, you are ready to upload it. Watch my video for some quick tips on creating your very own video. There are a few different options of where you can upload. By sending out videos to followers and friends, you are introducing yourself to them as if you are in a networking event. They see your personality, hear your voice, and feel your energy. The more they feel like they know who you are, the more inclined they want to work with you or follow what you're doing.
Listen, my 3 simple steps for you to follow as a key for you. To conceptualize, to capture, and to create, to close that deal on video. If you'd like to know more, register your interest by clicking on the link below. See you on the other side.